Happening now, the federal government must release migrant children from detention centers. A judge ordering this due to the coronavirus pandemic. Officials have until mid-July to release the children. They will return to their parents if they are not in custody. If the parents are in custody, their children can go to a suitable sponsor. Another option can be a non-congregate setting. Right now, the order is for 3 family detention centers, none of which are in the Valley. And this morning, inmates at the Starr County Jail are waiting for their COVID-19 test results. The reason? For them to be able to be transferred to the state prison. In Hidalgo County, some inmates have been waiting for more than 2 months. Channel 5's Valerie Gonzalez reports.
Starr County inmates got tested for COVID-19 at the mobile testing site. It's part of the screening process required by the state to let county jails move inmates into prisons. They had to stop intake in April because of the virus. Normally, the state has 45 days to pick up an inmate from county. In Hidalgo, there are 127 inmates who've been waiting for over 2 months. Sheriff Eddie Guerra says time is money.
Costing the county basically around $60 for every day that we house an inmate for the state of Texas.
Those expenses are adding up. Guerra says they've spent $110,000 on personal protective equipment for staff and inmates alone. Sanitizers, disinfectants, and specialized equipment push that bill even higher.
We've used our commissary funds to purchase the equipment for our inmates. We're hoping to get that reimbursed.
The decision appears successful. Jeremy Diesel, Director of Communications for the Texas Department of Criminal Justice, says COVID cases inside are going down. So far, about 7,600 inmates and 1,300 staff members were positive across the state. TDCJ is requiring county jails to have no active cases in their facilities before transferring inmates. They must also fill out a questionnaire.
Basically, how long have we had the inmates in our facility? If they have had any symptoms of COVID in the last 14 days, if they've been tested for COVID and the results, any other medical conditions, we need to let them know.
The state will only start with 250 inmates a week when intake resumes. That could be as early as next week. With cases spiking across Texas, Guerra says he thinks it could be postponed until August. Valerie Gonzalez, Channel 5 News.